If you've ever wanted to make your FigJam board a little more fun and a lot more interactive, then today I'm going to show you how to high five in FigJam. This is a quick little trick that's perfect for team collaboration, reactions during brainstorming sessions, or just adding a playful touch while you work. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first way to high five in FigJam is super easy. All you need to do is press and hold the H key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, FigJam will activate the high five feature and you'll see a floating hand graphic appear right above your cursor arrow. It's that simple. Just hold H and your cursor turns into a hand-ready reaction. Now, if you don't want to use the keyboard shortcut, there's another fun way to trigger it. You can vigorously shake your cursor back and forth horizontally. FigJam will detect the movement and display the same floating hand graphic above your cursor. So whether you prefer the shortcut or the gesture, you've got two easy ways to high five inside FigJam. This is a great little feature to use when you want to respond to teammates during a live session, celebrate a good idea, or just make your FigJam board feel more engaging. And because it's so quick, you can use it without interrupting your workflow. So to recap, press and hold H on your keyboard or shake your cursor horizontally and the high five hand will appear right above your cursor. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more FigJam tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.